was telling, "Acha, good step. Sonakshi will do it." No, sir, it's for you, I guess. What? Me? Prabhu, please. No,
Ajay
sir,
ji, you had a problem with this. Don't tell me.
I have a problem with everything.
No, actually, then he came to the, I mean, that, sir, sound, do it. And then he just did it. I told, okay, no, sir, really? Yeah. Everybody was clapping and it's actually in the first take only he did it. It's just a thought. I don't know how it happened, but I thought it's cool. Cool for this song.
Yeah, and it looks very funny and nice. Also.
And also, we want to change the dress, many things like that. Well, and then Jackson, then I thought, no, it's looking good. Let it be in the full song, so it will be registered and it looks nice and cool. And
It was tough dancing, but Prabhu made it very easy for me. In the sense, as he says also that ये एक actor की body language पढ़ के उस हिसाब से moments देते हैं. So he did that and he made me very comfortable doing it. So and he was concentrating on the expression also and the step, and so he made it very.
Any other Keeda? Actually, I have quite a few Keedas, but the most evident ones are dancing, and then there's of course I'm a very good bathroom singer. So yeah, I like to sing sometimes.
So think this is a bathroom. Sing.
Really, with like 1,000 people there? I don't think so.
I think it's I've enjoyed working with Prabhu ji and Ajay ji के साथ, Bol Bachchan and Son of Sardar and Sonakshi के साथ. I mean, lots of hits have been there. They've really been very lucky for me. So it's been a great team, and this film is Prabhu Deva. See, you know, every frame में आपको दिखेंगे, music में दिखेंगे, every beat में, and he is there in everything, you know. मेरे म्यूजिक में जो भी आपको दिख रहा है, it is प्रभु देवा जी.
You know हिमेश जी?
नहीं, मैं पहले म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हूँ भाई. मेरी रोजी रोटी वो है. प्रोड्यूस तो हमने बीच में 2 फिल्में की है और करते रहेंगे, लेकिन म्यूजिक मेरी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी है और मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में म्यूजिक की वजह से जाना जाता हूँ और वो ही हमेशा करता रहूँगा. तो दूसरे प्रोड्यूसर के लिए हो या अपने लिए हो, किसी के लिए भी, मेरे लिए वो गाना एक वही नज़र से मैं करता हूँ कि ये मेरा पहला गाना है. और अब तक जितने भी 600 गाने मेरे आए हैं, मैंने वही सोच से किया है कि जो पहले गाने में इंटेग्रिटी थी वो रहे. अगर वो नहीं रहेगी तो वो फिर मामला सब गड़बड़ हो जाता है. तो आई हैव टू, क्योंकि एवरी डे इतने नए लोग आ रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा काम और अच्छा करना पड़ेगा. एंड इस बार प्रभु जी के साथ पहली बार काम करने का मौका मिला है, तो I had to do something even better, so we have tried.
Actually, you know what? When I start dancing, मैं अगल बगल का देखती नहीं हूँ. I just dance. So I think I did that even here. And Prabhu sir has always told me that, you know, dance like just go all out. So I think I've done that even here. And don't say like that. Yeah, आपको अपना level tame down करना पड़ा. मुझे अपना level बढ़ाना पड़ा. अजय देवगन जैसे महान कलाकार के साथ dance करते वक्त.
ये सुपर्ब किया है, बट जितना भी किया है मैंने उसमें सबसे नीटली और सबसे सही तरीके से. दिस वाज माय डॉटर्स रिएक्शन आल्सो, दैट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स क्लीन, सो दैट क्रेडिट गोस टू प्रभु.
When somebody asks me to.
Okay, then I think I should.
Oh wait, I have
in
actually.
front of the media,
I
yeah.
have for my next film, but a very like one line.
But
I've not
we
sung
promise
out
you
of
that for Action Jackson, we'll take out an unplugged. Okay.
Great. Okay, done.